Introducing Sparky in The Adventures of the Unsafe Stinger.
Let's go. What the heck? Come on!
Hey, Sparky, what you doing?
Nothing.
Really, Sparky? Because it looks like you're trying to weld.
You're trying to weld, Fred.
I'm pretty sure I'm not.
Well, I guess I was.
Sparky, your workspace is a mess. You've got paint, flammable liquids, and there's a propane torch right next to where you're about to weld.
Oh no!
You've got rags soaked in acetone everywhere. You're not wearing a hood, and your ground's not even hooked up to anything. Look, Sparky, Steve over at Harbor Freight, he told me to watch out for you. He said you were dangerous.
That guy's a jerk. Tig said he was gonna prep my workspace.
Is that true, Tig?
Not in this, or in any other life, Sparky.
Grinder?
Oh, leave me out of this one, Sparky!
Look, we take safety pretty serious around here, Sparky. Let's go try that again.
Shop.
Dee. How do you like me now, Fred? Let's do this! Oh boy! The end.
Hey, thanks for watching. We enjoyed making it. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and keep checking back for more stuff from Light a Fire. Otherwise, put on your best hoodie and go make something.